Hello, and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release a new video 3 times a week. Here we have a book called 1000 Dresses. This is our favorite book. I did a review of low-cut dresses. They're called low-cut dresses here. There are a lot of different kinds of sundresses. Dresses with a low neckline, open back, narrow shoulders, or without any shoulders. We reviewed a lot of different styles of dresses, and you chose the winner. It is this dress. Look, the top is open, the solid color yoke, the cord seams are finished with the same fabric as the yoke, and here are the pockets with zippers. We made the sketches. This is the front part, and that is the back part. When we show a particular dress for drafting, and we draft a lot of garments here on the channel, it doesn't mean you should make the dress in the same color, shoulder width, with the same pockets and pleats. No, it's not my intention. Any dress I show is for you to learn. You should learn the drafting. Don't repeat it. When you understand the principles of drafting, you'll be able to make any model. Inclusively, you will not depend on me. And you will know what type of dress you want to make. First of all, I will start from the neckline. I will draft the neckline I want, the shoulder I want, the sleeve I want, a raglan, length, amount of flare, depth. It means you will think first thoroughly about the design that you want. I repeat once again, I'll show you this dress not for you to copy it exactly the same. Once you will learn how to do it though, you will learn to make a lot of different dresses. And that is wonderful. That is why, let's stop talking now, and let's get down to drafting. We chose the 2 fabrics. This beautiful cotton and this cotton with silk. I'll put them next to each other to see how it will look in piping. This is the pearl color cotton with silk. See this color? The yoke will look perfect. We like it a lot, and Olya also likes it. By the way, we are drafting and fitting it on Olychka. I like that choice. I like cotton with silk. The piping will decorate this floral pattern. Please do not write that the piping will cut the flowers. Check out the latest fashion trends. It's irrelevant now. Everyone cuts the pattern of the fabric in any direction and makes dresses with different color combinations. It was actually in the 70s or 80s where it was said, don't cut this flower in the middle. Even so, I think it was something of ours in Soviet Russia. The dress from the book has 2 solid color fabrics. We have one floral and the other one solid. But that doesn't change anything. Let's look at the sketch again. Here is the yoke. From the yoke style lines, the style lines will be finished with piping. And the second style line goes to the pocket. Here we'll have a slit pocket. I think we will do a master class for it. And here everything is spread for some little pleats. And here's the same. The invisible zipper will be here. It's very convenient. There's no need for it to be in the back. By the way, from that book, I think there will be a lot more dresses you guys will enjoy. I think that we will go back to that book sometime. We divide the review of low-cut dresses in 2 parts. I'm showing the first part. After we review those dresses you like, we will move on to the second part. Let's start. We'll start with cutting out the pattern. Then I will start drafting. Here we have the front and the back bodice. I will move the bust dart to the center front, so it doesn't go in our way. Then I'll move back, like this. Imagine, we need to draft the yoke here. With the dart, we will not see the whole picture. So we don't need the dart here for now. I will lower the armhole by 1 centimeter. but no more, because our garment will be without sleeves. We don't want it to be open too much. I made a mistake here because I cut out the shoulder dart. Don't cut it out. Now I have to tape it back together. I repeat once again, we do not need the dart here. So, make it deeper by 11 centimeters. We decided with our client. We open the shoulder by 4 centimeters. I place the beginning of the shoulder with the beginning of the other shoulder. Here I mark 4 centimeters and just transfer this point. Match the shoulders together and transfer this point. That's it. The shoulder will be 6 centimeters. The shoulders are the same. Don't mind that it's longer here. It's only because I left the dart. On the back, I will make a low neckline. I'm making it lower by 7 centimeters and making it an oval shape, like this. Do the neckline that you want. The beauty of it is that we can do whatever we like. We won't make it lower in this round place of the armhole. Draw the line straight up. The top of the dress should resemble a t-shirt. I hope you understand what we are doing. I'll start cutting it out. The next step is to make the yoke. By the way, our subscribers are divided into 2 categories. Some of them start to comment, "Oh, it's wrong here. It should be a little longer there. The yoke is wrong," and etc. While others are commenting that they have already made the dresses and did the yokes and the length exactly as they wanted them. I'm all for the second category. This is how our dress top looks like now. Now let's start making the yoke. So, how much should I take in the center here? This detail should be very small. If we make a big yoke, it will ruin everything. We need a little elegant detail here. The beauty of the dress will depend on it. I'll take 6 centimeters here and 5 centimeters in the back seam. I want to make a curved line. Not straight, no, just a tiny bit curved. Do you see? My yoke should be 12 centimeters on the back. Look at her dress and decide then for yourself if you want 12 centimeters or not. This is the center back, and this is the center front. And here's the grain line. There are 2 folds, the center front and the center back. Our yokes are ready. This is the fold of the center front. Our students told me that now they make notes on the pattern. I am proud of you. Here's the fold of the center back. Here's a curved line, but here we have just a fold and a straight line. We're going to put the fabric down and make the fold. Fold the center back and the grain line. Now I'm starting to draft the style lines. Here's the bust. I want to move our line by 1 centimeter in order to make this pocket at least a little smaller. I draw this line parallel. Look here. Here's my waist dart. It shifted a little bit here. I drew the first style line. Close the dart. I will cut it to the end and close it. You see, there are 2 millimeters open, but don't worry about it. It will ease into the seam. So, look at what we've got. Now I'm drawing the pocket about 5 centimeters below the waist, like this on an angle. And let me draw the style line on the back too. I'm shifting it a little bit here. I'm drawing a parallel line to the center back. This part will be doubled. Remember, we have no seam here. Here is the dart. We're moving it a little here too. Nice straight figure. Everything like it should be. Here is the fold and the yoke. Look, it's cool. Now we have to draw exactly the same line on this part, so that they match up here on the side. Well, we have to make similar lines. Now, when I cut it off, all the details will be lost. This is the back side panel, and this is the front side panel. Here we will also cut off. And there we have extra style lines, which don't incorporate darts. You might think you don't have to make them, but these lines create the silhouette. It will be cool. Like this. Here is the middle. Don't draw straight lines with the ruler. Your parents didn't make you with the ruler. Draw a little to the side. Let's do the waistline just a little bit, a couple of millimeters. We cannot take a lot, but at least some. So, this is the back side panel and the side seam. Here, look. And now, you guys will not be able to make a mistake. It's the back side panel and the side seam. Can you imagine what an elegant dress we'll have? I want to make a waist here, just a little bit. Look here. Gorgeous. We've got these parts. So, it's the front part and the side seam. The back part and the side seam. Look, we take those parts, cut them, and make some pin tucks. I will cut it like this, just like this. I think we can make 5 pin tucks here, 1 centimeter each. And here as well. I'll write cut, open, and make the pin tucks. Here is where the pin tucks will be. But I will make them directly on the fabric. I'm not going to do it right now. That's how you cut it. Open and pin each piece to the fabric. You don't have to do this work before. Opening, taping, then this tape will be stuck to the fabric and all that. Too much trouble for nothing. Look at this elegant dress. Thanks to everyone who voted for this dress. Olya is especially grateful. It's true. Pay attention to the table. Look once more. We worked very well today, and now we are ready for the cutting. I think you will do everything up to this point. I think our subscribers, who watch the drafting carefully and repeat our lessons, have already done everything even before I've showed it. Now, they're just watching it to check themselves. I think somebody has already made this dress while we were taking our time to start it. I think there'll definitely be people like this. Write your comments down below. It's time to say goodbye. Click the like button, share videos on social media, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Paukšte Irina Mihailovna and the rest of our team.